Namaste.
Imagine, one day the government passes a law and says you can't challenge it in the court.
Sounds scary, right? Well, it happened in India. It led to the most powerful Supreme Court case ever. In the year 1970, a monk, Swami Kesavananda Bharati, who runs a religious institution in the state of Kerala, where the state passes a Land Reform Act which violates his fundamental right, especially his right to manage religious affairs. Then what does he do? He went to the Supreme Court under Article 32 of the Constitution.
But something big happens while the case is still going on.
Parliament passes three constitutional amendments, 24th, 25th and the 29th. The most important one is the 29th, which put all the land laws into the 9th schedule, which means it cannot be challenged anymore. The biggest question is not about land, it's about how much power the parliament really has. It is a nightmare for the Indians. The fundamental rights can be changed anytime the parliament wants. To answer this question, a 13-judge bench, the biggest bench in the Indian history, was made, where the verdict is given in 7:6 ratio, and the bench said the parliament can amend the constitution, but it cannot touch the basic structure of the constitution. The democracy has some limits the parliament cannot cross. That's it for today's video. If you want a detailed video on this case, please comment down below and hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more such legal insights. Bye bye.